Okay, welcome back to the Gaming Gamers. Alright, today we're gonna gain 300 pounds in 200 seconds. Like a League of Legends player. Alright, so, we're gonna be playing Bedwars. You know what? You know what Bedwars is? Joe, like from Fortnite, Sus Imposter. This lobby is actually Sus Imposter. So, yeah, this is, me and your mom was like...
No, you're 101. And they're teammates, so weird screw. They already won the game.
Bro, it's not a big difference. It's like 20 levels from like 10.
No, but they're teammates, so they're good at the game. That make a lot of sense, not gonna lie. He does, even. Bro, damn, bro. Just... Oh, wait. Oh, they're rushing.
Fell.
Boy!
Okay. Diffused like a bomb in CSGO.
Enemy defused.
They're fucking dead.
Bro, I don't want to talk about what happened there. Let's go, Aidan! Oh, okay, we won.
We won. Hey.
Wait, they're going mid. Red going mid. No, they're blue and red fighting.
Okay.
They're going mid?
Yeah. Well, we're making 2 bridges.
We're good guys, so...
Making 2 bridges for the enemy to come over.
Hell yes, sir. Yeah, I'm gonna be AFK, okay? Or like 1 minute. No, not a month. Okay?
Okay. Shit. Thank God.
I'm back, shoddy.
Yeah, we have obsidian now.
Oh,
There's a person.
coming. And then...
Yeah.
No, my sword!
One on top.
Oh. But he's dead now.
Yeah. White team is kinda tryharding right now.
They know we got all or not?
I don't know. Because they rushed, but like, I don't know.
We should get diamond.
Yeah, we should get diamonds.
Well, I'm going for diamond. Oh, someone died. I just saw that guy. Oh, I cannot afford more bullets.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, even. Or maybe not. I don't know. I don't care. Oh, did that by the white guy? Damn. Kinda racist. Other comments.
That's annoying.
Yeah, let me buy shotgun so you can kill that guy easily. There we go. 4. Chill. There we go. Now you got shotguns. But they're dead, so it doesn't matter. No, maybe cranky 9s?
Oh my God.
It's okay, baby, don't cry. I got this. Why I'm burning? Bro, Why am I happy, bro? This game sucks.
It's
No one
here
loves it.
already.
They can suck a dick right now.
Bruh, this is annoying.
Bro, I need gold. Bro. Hey, you didn't tell me that here! He's dead.
Bruh.
They know we got Obby.
I don't know, they're probably gonna shout right now. Or not.
Because we got Obby and sharpness.
Oh my God. That was so hard.
They're common, bro. Jeez. But I'm going to win it by prob.
Okay.
Even cranky 9s? Sheesh. There you go, prob. 2 more and we go for 2. There you go, now I got fucking Aidan. You wanna go for white? What? He don't die? What the fuck?
The guy.
What is that? Cringe.
Yeah, I'm low.
Okay, I cover you. Cat, I don't cover you. Damn, he died. Bro, damn, why are you dominating their game? Oh, we're here.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, he's cringe, dude. He's cringe. Amen, right here with me, Amen.
Your bed's gone. I just want to let you know that.
Thank you. Finally. Oh, god damn, bro. That took too much time, dude.
And I'm going behind them. They're speed running. They're probably going to mid. I don't think they're going for us. They're probably going to mid.
Oh, goddamn. Wait, yellow and mid.
I know. That's the problem. We have to. But White's been going for us the entire time, so we can't really do anything.
He's running. Okay, one.
He's running.
Okay, I'm going mid so I can kill this guy, bro.
Oh my god, he's at 1!
Yellow's waiting for us to die. Man. They're coming! Oh shit, I died.
Bruh. At least they know we have obsidian now, let's go.
They can take a dick. Oh, they're above. Oh, they're eating apples. Shit.
Oh, they're leaving. What? He lied back. Aidan, there's someone here. There's yellow here.
Got it. He's running.
He's trying to run. Okay, there's no yellow.
I'm going for the top above one.
I don't have, like, go for that one because he has to get back to mid. He doesn't have a bed. They don't have a bed, so.
They have a bed?
They don't.
Damn, bro.
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, okay. I just fucking choked. I choked.
Bro, this game sucks! Why did you take no back when I... Cringe.
I'm not going off, Aidan. I'm not going off. He's dead.
Nice. Bro, I hate these games, but when I try to kill them, they don't take nothing.
Oh, he gave me 10 emeralds. 10 fucking emeralds. Let's go.
Oh, you're still alive. Let's go. We have my pod. Oh no, we don't need pod. There's...
Where's, wait. Oh, it's at mid, never mind.
Oh, sure, I got 3. You got 1, I got black, I got white, you got some.
I got black, I got white, what you want?
Yeah, but I'm gonna buy pod 2. There you go.
I got a tracker on yellow, so I'm gonna try to kill him.
But where's the yellow?
I see him. Why is the white here?
Bro, what is the white over here?
Fuck white, he's gone.
Oh, Aidan? Clutch this?
He's at 4! Dude, oh my god, he's at 4!
Wait.
No, come back! Yes!
Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, we gotta go to
Other guy's at, over here, follow me. He's at green.
Nah, you got the dub, He's Aidan, you got the dub.
He's not. He has an ender pearl. Aidan. He has an ender pearl.
Oh, man.
He has an ender pearl. He's at blue now.
Wait. You got ender, bro. I got what? What you saw me?
Aidan, he's at blue.
What am I doing? What?
Oh, he's drinking. He drank jump.
Oh, shit. But I cannot do that. Wait. I got a smart idea. No, I don't have a smart idea because I don't have to. Oh, I do. Wait, Aidan?
He got off. He jumped off. Aidan, he jumped off.
Got it. Where's
No. He escaped. Peace. Yeah, let's go. Alright, Aidan. I gotta go eat.
Me. There we go. Bro, you see that was sick.
That was sick. Alright.
That was the fucking...
I was a gamer, bro.
Yeah, that was a gamer spray right there. I'm tired to poop.
Alright.
Okay, see ya.
Alright, guys. What the fuck? What? Alright, guys. Oh my god, there's a fucking obsidian wall here. Dude, I can't even get a good outro, bruh. Oh! You know, if I'm not getting a good outro, you know what? Everyone else is gonna die, bro. I don't give a shit, bro. Everyone's gonna die, bro. I'm killing every person I see. I don't care. I'm killing every person I see. You're dead. You're dead to me. Die. Die. I didn't get the healing.